The technology is meant to help people. For the mobile industry, we have adapted very well that technology. So I expect something similar. Well, we will be used to deal with our devices at home, the connected car. The industry makers will be used to use a tablet, and also the farmers. It is going to be that way. If we agree that the internet is about connecting people with machines and other people, well, the Internet of Things means inviting objects to that internet, so we can build a better internet.
I see the future of Internet of Things like a place where things can cooperate, a place where your devices at home, all the electronics, can think with each other, can collaborate with each other, more than the humans do with ourselves. Sometimes we are very envy about the other, so we hold our things, we hold our ideas, we hold our thoughts. But with IoT, we can put all the devices, all the electronics to talk with each other and help each other to improve. This will help to improve our lives as well.
IoT is, at the end, is an open world. And then if you think to such a concept, cloud must be in the same way open. IoT needs sensing information from any kind of sensor on the field. It needs protocol that should be able, a gateway should be able to send remotely data that can be available for a third part, for another player.
If you start measuring more information, then you have lots of information coming into a platform, and you need to treat that information. What we do with FIWARE is we quite often create a SharePoint where we can basically exchange information and then combine it to create added value.
There are a lot of companies using different protocols, sometimes proprietary protocols.
If you want to develop an IoT platform, you have to choose some kind of technology that first is a standard, that is easy to use and accelerate your development, and some platform that you don't need to reinvent the wheel.
Also, the big company that has their proprietary standard, day by day are opening them, because open standard is absolutely necessary. Reaching the standards is a very important part of the IoT development. Interoperability and standardization is the one thing that is going to make the IoT scale. From the technical point of view, we are using several components of the FIWARE ecosystem. The first one is the Orion Context Broker, which for us is like the data hub of an industrial data space.
In terms of technology, so we have to have some common protocols that allow us to develop more easily and integrate more easily our devices and our tools, and FIWARE provided us a common ground for doing that.
We started using FIWARE a year ago, and the FIWARE open source toolkit or open source products allowed us to very quickly create our minimal viable product, so we could focus on the embedded software and hardware, smartphone applications, and also focus on the business value and discovering what the real business value was for our.
For my peers or for other companies, I will say give it a try, because right now it's not very hard to try. It's available. You don't need to invest a lot of hours of developer hours. So give it a try. If you find it is suiting your needs, okay, then try to go to the community, try to gather with some local partners and see if this technology, this FIWARE technology, can help your business.
We as a technology company, data analysis, to understand, to deal with data is the core of our business for sure. I think that the clients, our customers, are already getting knowledge that can benefit having data, exchanging data and relating different sources of information.
Well, I see the economy of data as an opportunity for insights. So you're having more information about how the process works. You can have more ways, more tools to improve this process.
The idea of the industrial data space, it's very new. It is a kind of having an abstract vision of the machines and the instruments and the sensors, considering them data.
I don't think that IoT is only for the people who love gadgets. It's about everyone. So as time passes by, more and more people get aware about IoT. And that's a good thing. And I also feel that we saw many people here who are not engineers or entrepreneurs, but they want to know more.